Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at equations and inequalities, solving linear equations, and today we'll be solving for x. Suppose you are given an equation 2x plus 3 is equals to 2 minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Now to solve this problem, we're going to have to hone our understanding onto algebra. For instance, now that we all have our equation 2x plus 3 is equals to 2 minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. So we're going to go ahead and rewrite the equation as it is. So we have 2x plus 3 is equals to 2 minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Now, by just simply looking at this equation, it's an equation because we have an equal sign, we need to use the distributive law to be able to open the parentheses. In this case, we're going to have 2x plus 3 is equals to 2 minus, so we need to multiply this negative 3 by x and also multiply by this negative 3 by positive 3. So by calculations, we have negative 3 multiplied by x will give us negative 3x. Negative 3 multiplied by positive 3 will give us negative 9. Now that we have opened our parentheses, we just simply need to balance both sides. In fact, we actually need to separate the like terms. So we have 2x plus 3 is equals to, so notice 2 and 9 are constants, so 2 minus 9, that's what did we have. So we have 2 minus 9 will give us negative 7. Okay, now what I want to have here, on one side I want to have coefficients and on one side I want to have constants. So I have 2x, which is a coefficient. Notice I have negative 3 on the other side of the equal sign, so I want to bring it over, and it's negative. If it moves over, it becomes positive 3x. And we have equals to, we already have negative 7 this side, and then 3 needs to join the constant on the other side, which is negative 7 in this case, and 3 is positive, so it becomes negative 3 if it jumps over the equal sign. Now, using algebra, so we have 2x plus 3x gives us 5x is equals to negative 7 minus 3 gives us negative 10. Okay, so by calculations, so we have to divide on both sides by 5. Okay, and then notice 5 will cancel out, so we only remain with x, and then negative 10 divided by 5 gives us negative 2. So what do we want to do now to confirm and validate our answer? In other words, to consolidate our answer in this case, we're going to actually just simply multiply. In fact, let me just use this as substitution. So we have 2 multiplied by, so wherever x is, I'm going to actually multiply or substitute negative 2 where x is. So plus 3 using this equation, initial equation. In fact, let me use the second equation because that's where I open the parentheses. So we have 2x plus 3 is equals to 2 minus 3 multiplied by negative 9. So by substitution, I'm going to use this x and substitute that into this equation, there and there. So we have negative 2 because that's what we have there. So we multiply by negative 2 there and multiply by negative 2. So what we want to have an equation whereby the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Okay, so by calculations, we have 2 multiplied by negative 2 gives us negative 4 plus 3 is equals to 2. So already have 2 is a constant. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 2 gives us positive 6 minus 9. So we have negative 4 plus 3 gives us negative 1 is equals to, so 6 plus 2 gives us 8 minus 9 gives us negative 1. In other words, this side, what it means the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. And that brings us to the end of our presentation. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to see more of these educational videos. And don't forget to drop the comments below. Thank you. Take care. Practice mathematics. Goodbye.